I've done over 10 million in e-com sales. I've been in business since 2015. I started my own brand completely from scratch and I didn't even know what an entrepreneur was. I eventually managed to scale that to a lifestyle business where now I can live and work remotely. I have complete time, location, financial freedom. And then I started a golf brand which scaled to 700k in the first year, 3 mil in the second. And then I started working with other founders, helping them copy and paste everything I'd learned throughout the process. And now I'm giving everything away for free because this is the resource that I needed when I first started in business. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to buy back your time, giving you complete time, location, and financial freedom in this modern day where everyone's trying to get rich quick through crypto or AI, but you don't have control of the markets and technology moves really fast. So this is a business that pays you while you sleep. It solves real problems, which you can actually be proud to write home to your mum about when she's asking where'd you get all this money from. And if I'm being honest, the best part of all, you'll actually be able to sell this business and exit it for generational sums of money if you do everything I tell you to do in this video. So without yapping all day, you're probably asking, what is this opportunity? And it's the same thing I started back when I was trying to leave my 9-to-5 over 10 years ago. And if I'm being honest, right now, there's never been a better time to start it. And here are literally 7 or 8 or maybe 10 reasons why a supplement brand is the best business to start and why now is literally the perfect time. So let's get into it. First and foremost, the market cap is huge. I think it's something around $1 billion market cap, which means you're not fishing in a small pool. You have generally an infinite amount of opportunity here to make money. Market cap, if we're looking at TAM, which is target addressable market, basically everyone ever who's interested in health, who has a health problem, these are going to be your potential customers. So the opportunity is endless. And this isn't something where you just solve 1 or 2 problems. You can solve an infinite amount of problems. Just think from a medical perspective as how many health issues there are. And this kind of ties into the second point. Obviously, not only is the market huge, but people live such unhealthy lives these days. They do. Like obesity's never been higher. There's a lot around just kind of image, or if you're focusing on women, whether it's their skin, or if it's guys, whether it's their testosterone, they just want to look good or they want to feel good. And these are perennial problems that are never going to go away. There's also, because you have individualization for these potential customers, they're not just using one product. Let me just use Brian Johnson as a perfect example. I think the guy's having 700 pills every single day. Maybe not 700, maybe 800. No, but genuinely, he's taking a lot of pills and most of these are supplements. He's doing the marketing for you. He's living the life. He's proving it. And all of the health problems that he's having, or say he's focused specifically on anti-aging, this is also a potential niche for you. And you can use someone like him. If he's piloting a certain product or he's using it in a different way, you can jump on this and you can create your own product that you can sell to the same or different types of people. You literally have an infinite amount of ways to do this. And going back to people being sick, like genuinely, people do not take care of the basics. They don't train, they don't eat well, they don't sleep well, and they're always looking for quick fixes. And supplements are positioned in such a way, whereas really the main pull of a supplement, it's convenience. Instead of you having to fix all of these fundamentals or reorganize your life, here's a pill that just solves this for you. And they genuinely do work. Like most supplements are actually backed by science. They're FDA regulated, which means that they've been through extensive processes and trials. So you can actually have confidence that whatever it is that you're selling and whoever it is you're selling it to, this actually does what it says on the tin. And this is what I'm trying to get across when you're not just selling some random shit from AliExpress, some gadget, or you're just trying to ride a wave in of a particular product that once it's done, it's saturated and it's gone. That's not how you build a brand. And remember, we're talking about building a lifestyle brand or even a performance brand, if that's what you wish to build, that pays you every single day, every week, every month, every year. And the way for you to do that is you need a product that is a consumable, so that when they are using it, they use it once, it needs to be replenished. So you're not just focused in this dropshipping mindset of I just need to get all these sales, and all of my attention isn't just on sales and marketing, it's on building a brand. And this is what you can do with the power of a supplement company, is you can actually build a brand. You can solve one specific problem for one specific type of person, and then you can diversify, you can add more products. You have an infinite amount of ways to do this. It's all directly within your sphere of influence and control. And one of the other reasons is that really, when you look at it, the barrier to entry has never been so low. If I can tell you a personal example, when I started, so this is back in 2015, I wasn't joking when I said I genuinely didn't even know what an entrepreneur. I couldn't even spell entrepreneur. I'd read one book in my life, which is the Bible. That was it. And a mentor gave me The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, who also happened to make his first business as a supplement brand. And his whole ethos was time, financial, location, freedom, traveling the world, and having this cash flow vehicle that solves a problem for a specific type of person. I think for him, It was like brain development or reaction times for athletes in the US. And he did this is probably like 2008. So he didn't even have all of the tools and AI or internet, etc. that you have. I think all of his was just like affiliate marketing on maybe Google SEO ranking back in the day. For you, the barrier to entry is so low. Think about it, right? Let's just say I'm solving a problem for my mum. She's got aching joints. So I have a very specific persona. I have a very specific problem. So now I need to think, okay, let's do some research on what product's going to solve this. And then I go to companies, say, on Supliful. I don't have an affiliation with Supliful, but you can go in there, you can find these white label products that you can drop ship, that you can build a brand, and you don't even have to commit cash to inventory. For me, I went on this crazy path of phoning 52 manufacturers, no one giving me the time of day. One eventually worked with me, which is the same one I work with to this day, but it was because they were small, they needed the business, and they bought into me. And then I had a 2-year research and development, 2 years, 24 months building this perfect product. Then I launched it and I got 0 sales. You don't have to do that. You can validate ahead of time before you're ready. You have the opportunity to do this because you don't have to get investment or channel all of your savings into buying stock, into holding inventory, into having warehouses. You don't need to do that. You can validate and you can move really fast, and there's literally no money down for this. You're only buying the product once you've sold it. The only investment really is time for you to learn the systems, learn how to build a website. Again, everything is free. You can use AI, you can use Lovable, you can build a store for $1 a month on Shopify. It's not that difficult. You can outsource, you can have contractors build everything for you. So the barrier to entry generally has never been easier, and this is for complete beginners, or if you're well seasoned in business, even easier because you already have the marketable skills. Now, before I move on, if you check the first link in the description, it'll take you to my school community. There's over 280 brand founders in there, also running, starting and scale their supplement brands. If you want to learn how to start or scale your own supplement brand, this is the place to go. Okay, next point. I'm going to bring this back to the people that you're watching. Andrew Tate, Joe Rogan, Stephen Bartlett, Mr. Beast. What are they doing? They're all starting supplement brands. Why? Because of all of these reasons. They understand people are sick. People want quick fixes. They want to be able to monetize their audience. For example, particularly so if you're a creator or you have some sort of influence online, this is a massive opportunity and they know it. They know that they can use their eyeballs, their distribution that they have, and they can position a product that they use, that they get value from, or something that they've always wanted to bring to the market, and they can sell this with relative ease. Now, if these guys can do it, of course they have a strategic advantage because they have an audience, but the point is they could pick any business model, but they're not. They're all picking supplement brands. And generally it's because probably the same reason you're thinking of starting, if you are, is you want to scratch your own itch. You have a problem, a health problem, or you were struggling with X, Y, and Z, and then you took this supplement, or your friend referred you to try this supplement, and it helped you sleep better, it gave you more energy, you were more focused, whatever it is. And as I said, there's multiple health problems that they've also been through, that they know that everyone needs to hear this, everyone needs to try this because it genuinely helped me. Same with Stephen Bartlett, for example. I don't know if he has a direct affiliation to Huel, but this is something he genuinely actually uses and he has input in. He can help shape the company. This is massive. And if we're talking about contrasting to selling something that you don't care about, or you're selling widgets, or you're selling some crap, literal bullshit product off AliExpress that no one cares about, that has no real tangible value to the customer, this is something that you can actually get behind. You can be proud of it. You're solving problems, you're making the world better, and these guys know this. And if they're doing it, again, there's no reason that you can't do the same, particularly so because we've established that there's actually very low barrier to entry now. If you don't want to do the branded dropshipping, you can also go white label. With white labeling, you're just putting your own sticker on an existing product, no problem. If you genuinely do have a bit extra time and some budget, you can also create your own custom formula, and I can show you how to do this. This is what the link in the school community is for. But anyway, one other big thing, it's probably the next thing I'll talk about, which is super has such a magnetic pull to building a brand, particularly a supplement brand, is, we kind of touched on it before, we're not just selling one product once, we're selling a consumable, which means that your lifetime value of your customer, so long as they adhere it, they will come back time and time again. This is why all the big brands have subscription models built into their system. And this, when I'm talking or referring to myself, how I can live in Bali, literally, I live here, I can live anywhere, it doesn't matter, and I can get paid every single day. So then subscriptions pull through at 12 p.m. They pull through every day. So I know at the start of every month, I'm not in this hustle mode of where's my next sale coming from. I already know predictably what revenue is coming in. This is massive because this is when we're talking about a lifestyle brand or even a performance brand. If you're looking to exit or get investment, if you have predictable recurring monthly revenue, this is what allows you to just take a bit of a breather and maybe start to enjoy the journey a little bit. And supplements by nature, inherent nature, are consumable, which means that particularly so if your product is good, if you market it well, if you take care of your customers, when you get that customer, you should keep that customer for life. And this over time stacks. It really does. We're not just frantically in this e-com mind or dropshipping mind of just, I need to get customers. They come back to you, they stay with you. And then what's better is, particularly so if your product is good and you're marketing it well, those customers will then tell other customers who will then come back and subscribe. And you can stack your offer in such a way where this is a magnetic offer because it makes sense for them to do so. Again, we don't need to get into the economics of this, but this is huge, and this is what really makes a supplement brand hands-off, which again, I suppose links to our next thing, which is you can run this remotely. So let's say one of my supplement brands is, say for example, it's based in the UK. I live in Bali, I live in Dubai, I can travel anywhere around. I haven't seen or touched my product for 3 years now, and the system works. This is because my manufacturing is outsourced. My distribution, so the picking and packing, is outsourced. My email marketing is outsourced. My meta ads is outsourced. My website design is outsourced. So where am I spending my time? I'm spending my time helping others solve the problems that I have, because I needed to set all of this up in the first place, and it was a nightmare, it was a headache, it was so difficult. Whereas once you know how, this is actually really simple. And thinking about right here, right now, with technology, with communications, with AI, with leverage, you can set this up so easily. Again, the infrastructure for me was hard. I didn't know where supplies were. I didn't know anything about custom formula. I didn't know anything about meta ads. I didn't have anyone helping me write emails or copywriting. I didn't know any of it. Whereas now, all of this information is out there for free. And the infrastructure, once it's running, again, just like the subscriptions, it's running 24/7 independent of your time. So my time can be focused on high income generating tasks, whether that is on marketing, on creative, if it's developing a new product or range, and just making sure the wheels are greased, everything's flowing well. And this is what allows me to step out and work on the business and not in it. And this is one of the true benefits, I guess, of a supplement brand. When done correctly, you can outsource, you can delegate all of these functional areas to people who have more experience and actually enjoy doing these parts. It's amazing, and this is generally what allows me to do this. If we rewind the clock 7 years, I was in my 3rd floor apartment with 4 pallets of product stacked up to the ceiling, picking, packing, bubble wrapping, walking to the post office, doing that every day. Like, that's no fun. I'm trapped. I can't ever take a day off. My phone's pinging, I've got customers want this, delivery problems. It's no fun. Whereas now I can just outsource it. Manufacturing, don't need to think about it. They will send it directly to my customers, my 3PL. They will handle customer service. They will handle the picking, packing and returns. I'm out of it. I'm completely out of it. And these systems now are so easy to set up that this is exactly why I'm making this video, is because this is the perfect time to do it before it gets too saturated, before the word gets out, but you have to go and take action on it. And the final thing, and arguably the most important, is because we're brand building, not drop shipping, not selling rubbish, we're solving problems. And remember, we're paid in direct proportion to the level of the problem that we solve. We're building a brand, a community, a movement. We have an exitable brand, and this is where you make your cash. If you can sell, or when you can sell this brand, because it is a brand, it's something that people will get behind, we're solving problems. This has crazy multiples, particularly so because an acquirer will see that you have monthly recurring revenue, so it's de-risked, and if they're strategically aligned, they can plug and play your existing infrastructure into their massive infrastructure at little to no cost, so they can strip away all of your costs, add your line onto their production, and it's just pure profit on the back of it for them. So it makes perfect sense. You get paid, the brand can take it to the next level, they can add it to their portfolio, they will make money off it again in the next 5 to 10 years. Everyone wins. And this is exactly why you need to take action now and start a supplement brand. Now, I've scaled my own. I've worked with multiple brands in different industries. I made over 10 million for multiple brands in the last 10 years within ecom. If I can do it, and I come from nothing, I genuinely come from nothing, streets, northeast of England, no experience, brought up in a cult. I somehow figured this out, but I did this on my own. And this is why I'm here now, 10 years in and not 2 years, because I didn't have the leverage of understanding what to do, how to do it, and how to get things right first time. And if you want to learn how to do this is what I spend most of my time, because my brand's outsourced, it's delegated, it's automated. I can teach you how to do this. And if you want to learn, if you check the link in the description, there'll be one which says that you can book a call directly with me or my team. Click it, tell me about your brand, tell me about your aspirations, and let me see if I can actually help you get to where you want to go. Now, finally, if you don't want to book a call, you don't want to join the school community, no problem. What I have is a full course on showing you how to start your own supplement brand. It will be here, or it'll probably here. And this is both for starting from scratch, or if you're trying to scale your brand, I'll have a whole video here on ads. Make use of it, but please just take action. This is the perfect time to do this, but no one's going to do it for you. No one's coming to save you. If you want to get out of your 9 to 5, if you're stuck with your current supplement brand and you can't get things up and running, I can show you how, but you just have to take action. Cool. Hope it's useful. Comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.